Texan Global School. Multiplication. 5 times table. In this class, the multiplication of whole numbers is analyzed, specifically multiplying by 5. Remember that multiplication is repeated addition. This means that multiplying implies adding one of them, the number of times of the other. Any number multiplied by 5 results in the same number quintuple. Let's see a first example. If we multiply 5 by 1, this means that we add 5 only once, or we add 1 5 times. Therefore, 5 times 1 is 5. The model represents 5 squares and 5 rows by a column, so we have 5 ones. Hence, we conclude that 5 times 1 is 5. If we now multiply 5 by 2, this means that we add 5 2 times, or we add 2 5 times. Therefore, 5 times 2 is 10. The model represents 5 rows by 2 columns, thus having 10 squares or 10 ones. Hence, we conclude that 5 times 2 is 10. Now, multiply 5 by 3. We add 5 3 times, or we add 3 5 times. Therefore, 5 times 3 is 15. The model represents 5 rows by 3 columns, so we have 15 ones. Thus, we conclude that 5 times 3 is 15. Then, multiply 5 by 4. We add 5 4 times, or we add 4 5 times. Therefore, 5 times 4 is 20. The model represents 5 rows by 4 columns, so we have 20 ones. Thus, we conclude that 5 times 4 is 20. Now reviewing the multiplication of 5 by 5. We add 5 5 times. Therefore, 5 times 5 is 25. The model represents 5 rows by 5 columns, so we have 25 ones. Hence, we conclude that 5 times 5 is 25. Now, multiply 5 by 6. So we add 5 6 times, or we add 6 5 times. Therefore, 5 times 6 is 30. The model represents 5 rows by 6 columns, so we have 30 ones. Thus, we conclude that 5 times 6 is 30. Then, multiply 5 by 7. We add 5 7 times, or we add 7 5 times. Therefore, 5 times 7 is 35. The model represents 5 rows by 7 columns, so we have 35 ones. Hence, we can conclude that 5 times 7 is 35. Now, reviewing the multiplication of 5 by 8. We add 5 8 times, or we add 8 5 times. Therefore, 5 times 8 is 40. The model represents 5 rows by 8 columns, so we have 40 ones. Hence, we conclude that 5 times 8 is 40. Now, multiply 5 by 9. So we add 5 9 times, or we add 9 5 times. Therefore, 5 times 9 is 45. The model represents 5 rows by 9 columns, so we have 45 ones. Hence, we conclude that 5 times 9 is 45. Finally, multiply 5 by 10. We add 5 10 times, or we add 10 5 times. Therefore, 5 times 10 is 50. The model represents 5 rows by 10 columns, so we have 50 ones. Hence, we conclude that 5 times 10 is 50. In summary, any number multiplied by 5 results in the same value quintuple. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 7, 35. 5 times 8, 40. 5 times 9, 45. 5 times 10, 50. Texan Global School. Global online learning. Knowledge for the world. www.texanglobalschool.com